Costa Rica es pura vida aquí. Okay, tu nombre es? Catherine, please check in the link below. You're gonna see her Instagram. Follow her, man. She's just my friend, okay? My friend, I just met her here and pura vida. Yeah.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
So as you see, Costa Rica, there are really cute girls everywhere. There's a club right there and another club right here. Cute girls. Wow. So this is more of a rock place. You can chill. You know. Actually, this place feels like I'm in Colombia, especially this area where I've been to. It feels like I'm in Colombia. Really, girls are dressed to kill. Every guy is dressed to impress, and they look like, you know, they're living their life right now. And this place is called California, Mercado de California. So if you come to this place, I mean, if you come to San Jose, Puerto Rico, Costa Rica. I'm always confusing Costa Rica and Puerto Rico. I don't know why. If you come to San Jose, which is the capital of Costa Rica, come to this place called Mercado de Cali. That is California market. Actually, it's California, but they say Cali, you know. And when you come here, come to this place, you'll find hundreds of beautiful girls walking around, and you can go to clubs, dance. Actually, I left my crew so that I could just be alone and make this video for you guys. Ensure you smash that like button, man. Your boy Marwa, presenting you nightlife worldwide, man. I think there's no any other YouTube channel that does this. Beautiful girls showing up, as you see from that side, and I'm just right here to give you this, man. So yeah, let me keep showing you more. Maybe I'll go to clubs and show you, and maybe more and more. Okay, love you guys. Huh? There's some crazy car over there. Yeah. Yeah, this place has really cute girls, man. Really tall, blonde. Yeah. Hey, you wanna be in my camera? It's a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Where you from, man?
New York.
New York?
Yeah.
You too?
How about you? Where are you from?
Oh, Montreal. I'm from Africa, but I'm making a YouTube video, nightlife. Say something to the viewers, man. I have too many.
Pura vida, San Jose. Have a good night.
Thank you, man. Yeah. Hey, habla algo. They don't speak in. Habla poco algo, mama. ¿Tu nombre es? Pura vida. You know, it's really funny in Puerto Rico, not Puerto Rico, and I'm really confusing Puerto Rico and Costa Rica. Anytime you tell people something, they tell you pura vida, like pure life, you know. So they couldn't let me in a club because of this bag. So it's going to show me where to keep it. So I have to keep it right here.
Right here.
Yeah. What time do they close?
3:30.
3:30, okay.
Yeah, you have to be careful.
3:30, okay? So let me talk to them. Who should I talk
Que se
to?
va a ocupar guardar el bolsillo, nada más.
Que cobro 1000 hasta las 3 de la mañana.
Sí.
Sí.
1000 colones and it's gonna be till 3, not 3:30.
Sí, sí. So I have to keep my bag here because the club can't let me go in, okay? For $2 a night. And this is the guy who brought me. Thank you. You can wait till we go together. This is crazy, man. It's crowded. And entrance is $3,000. You know? So you can see. One beer, my friend. Just a normal beer. This one is okay. I don't know the name. Yeah, that's super okay.
I can translate you.
No, it's so okay. How much? ¿Cuánto? 1,300. Okay.
1300. Yeah, that's the speaker.
Okay. So a beer is like $2.50. Okay.
Looking for a video of that shit. Tryna get money, niggas hot as shit. I been running through those fucking hot shit.
I didn't make feel very bad. Wow, girls are dressed to kill, man. So that's what you can see here in Costa Rica, and it's really crazy beautiful, man. There's a club right there. So there's Uber Eats. You can have Uber. Let me go. Ensure, man, you smash that like button, man, 2 times if possible. I am representing you, you know. Yeah, clubs, you know. Clubs right there, full. Right here. Wow, it's amazing right here. I don't know if these are working girls or no working girls. Sector looks a little creepy. Wow. really amazing. So that's how it looks like from the side. And up here, so you see here all the stretch of nightlife right there, and upstairs looks more of that. And right here, let me get lost here, man. So that's how it looks like. So that house there was built in 1908. I don't know if my camera can show that. Some traffic jam. Some people, you see, they just prefer coming and partying up here, sitting down. Maybe this could be a student area where people sit down and just have their own moments. But it looks a little dangerous because I'm seeing this guy passing here. I can't trust him that much. So that is it. Everything looks okay. But not really okay. Yeah, so you can see some people over there seated down having their drinks. Yeah, man. You should smash that like button, man. I'll see you in my next video. I am Maro Pura Vida from Okay, let's do that. Okay.
No tanto, pero déjame un poquito más.
Hey,